Hello people, Tommy Love here, joining you again after almost a full year of no videos. I'm so sorry. Okay. It's pretty amazing how much I've changed. Not really. And I may be making videos for a couple weeks. Everything's gonna be awesome. I am currently back on home base here. Excited. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but keep my frozen cheese. Get it. I have my ears on, and they're very cute. I'm not sure if they're cat ears though. Whoa, that's a big plane. The Russian. I sound more Italian than Russian in that one, but it's pretty fun. I'm just gonna stand there and watch me burn. It's alright because I love the way it hurts. I'm just gonna stand there and watch me burn. My bad. Huh? No, I just said watch me burn twice. It's supposed to say hear me burn. Hear me scream, hear me cry. Ah, this is horrible. What do you think of me, people? Well, this is to my love. Love you much. You know who